Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to cut out an image in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with logging into your account. So first thing we need to do is log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here. So click on the photo editor, and now this is going to open up this new page where we can get started with opening an image that we want to use. So you can open up any image that you want to cut out. I already have the image right here, so now I can get started with cutting out. Basically guys, what we are going to do for the cut out option is look right here on the left side screen. Where are all the tools that we can use, and one of them is called cut out. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and select the cut out option. After selecting the cut out option, now you can select what kind of tool you want, maybe shape cutout, magic, whatever, or you can just use the AI cutout. As you can see, it's going to enable us to go ahead and enable cut out anything we want from the image. As you can see, we have successfully cut out our main object and removed the background. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.